they should not apply for so many credit cards. Yung, lalo na sa mall, sometimes there are agents. When you sign up with them, we've seen cases wherein one agent applied for several banks. So that pulls your credit score down because it sends a signal to the credit bureau that hey, this guy really needs a credit card. Ang dami niyang in-applyan. Um, the credit card utilization also, as Aaron mentioned before, the ideally you only use up to 40% of your total credit limit. Anything beyond that affects your debt to income ratio. So that's another number that you need to watch out for. So the total income of the consumer, ilang percent doon yung pangbayad ng utang. If it's more than 40%, then again, your credit score will go down. Another thing that affects credit score, I think a lot of people don't know about this, is that the more you change your home address, the more you change your mobile number, the more your credit score will go down. Again, it sends a signal to the banks na baka may pinagtataguan to. Ang hirap niya makontak kasi inactive na naman yung luma. So those are the things that highly affects a user's credit score.